Hello, and welcome to this video on the power of visualization. If you're looking for a way to achieve your goals and improve your life, then visualization techniques can be a valuable tool to help you get there. In this video, we'll explore what visualization is, how it works, and how you can use it effectively to achieve your goals. What is visualization? Visualization is a technique that involves creating a mental image of something you want to achieve or experience. It's a way of using your imagination to bring your goals to life and make them feel more real and tangible. Visualization is based on the idea that our thoughts and beliefs can influence our reality, and that by focusing our minds on positive outcomes, we can attract them into our lives. How does visualization work? Visualization works by activating the same neural pathways in your brain that are involved in experiencing something in real life. When you visualize something, your brain creates a simulation of the experience, which can trigger the same emotions, sensations, and reactions as if you were actually experiencing it. This can help to reinforce positive beliefs and attitudes, and create a sense of momentum and motivation towards your goals. Practical tips for using visualization effectively. Start with a clear goal. Before you begin to visualize, it's important to have a clear and specific goal in mind. This could be anything from improving your health and fitness, to advancing your career, to building better relationships. The more specific and detailed your goal, the easier it will be to visualize and manifest. Use all your senses. When you visualize, try to engage all your senses to make the experience feel as real as possible. This means imagining the sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and textures associated with your goal. For example, if your goal is to run a marathon, you could visualize the feeling of your feet hitting the pavement, the sound of your breath, the smell of the outdoors, and the taste of water in your mouth. Create a vivid mental image. As you visualize, try to create a detailed and vivid mental image of your goal. This could be a scene, a picture, or a movie-like sequence that captures the essence of what you want to achieve. Make it as clear and realistic as possible, and imagine yourself as an active participant in the experience. Use positive language. The words you use when you visualize are important, as they can shape your beliefs and attitudes towards your goal. Use positive and empowering language that affirms your ability to achieve your goal. For example, instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," say, "I am healthy, fit, and full of energy." Practice regularly. Visualization is a skill that takes practice, so make it a regular habit. Set aside time each day to visualize your goal, and make it a part of your daily routine. The more you practice, the more natural and effective visualization will become. Be patient and persistent. Visualization is not a magic bullet, and it may take time and effort to see results. Be patient and persistent, and trust that the process is working even if you don't see immediate changes. Keep visualizing, and stay focused on your goal. That's it for this video on the power of visualization. We hope that you found these practical tips helpful, and that you're inspired to start using visualization to achieve your goals. Remember, visualization is a powerful tool that can help you to create the life you want, but it's up to you to take action and make it a part of your daily routine. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with my latest and greatest content.